Hi, this is Dean Jacobs. A year ago, I was in Rwanda, Africa, hanging out with mountain gorillas on the sides of volcanoes. Now I'm back here in Nebraska, and we are in the middle of a major blizzard. So I thought you might like to see some of what we are experiencing here in Nebraska on this Christmas Eve in 2009. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like glisten and children listen to hear sleigh Christmas with Christmas God and bright, oh so So wherever this may find you, I hope and I wish and I pray that you have a wonderful Christmas and a very prosperous 2010. Happy New Year and happy holidays. Thank you.